To succeed, you gotta overcome your fears, battle your own greed, conquer your own demons, become unsure, second guess everything you believe in, survive through the suffering to figure out the meaning, and go hard to the moment you bring the cream in. You might lose sleep, but it's gonna feel like you're dreaming.
So guys, Trilltrades back with another video. You know, as you can see, we on the webcam today, so I can show y'all a couple previous trades that unfortunately I blew my account because of. I blew 3 accounts. Well, I blew 2 from one trade, and then the mental stress from that trade caused me to blow my 3rd main account. But you know, I'm gonna switch the view. I'm gonna get straight to it. I'm gonna show y'all exact trade. I'm gonna show y'all how long I was in the trade, when it closed, all that. So let's get straight to it. All right. So at this point, I was using my previous VWAP strategy, utilizing its upper and lower bands as kind of reversal points. So whenever it'll touch the lower band, I'll get in long, aim for either the VWAP line or the upper band, depending on the volume for that time. And I usually wait for a 10-minute candle to show confirmation for me to go in that direction. And as you can see, I took one right here. I got in about right here, and then I guess I'll show y'all the VWAP, because I was previously using Thinkorswim to chart, and I would go off of that. I wasn't even using NinjaTrader to chart. And so basically it came down, it was late night, didn't have work the next day. I was so close to hitting my goal to get funded in 2 accounts. So I saw this, I was like, okay, let me just hop in real quick. I only needed like 300. It went up, it shot down so far. I didn't have a stop loss set at all, so I was like, let me just hold it. So I held it. It got the break even and a little bit over, and I saw, I was like, no, I need just a little bit more, so I might as well stay in the trade. I held it even longer. Mind you, I'm standing up this whole night. This is early in the morning or late at night, however you want to look at it. I'm holding, and it just tanks to even lower than it was before, and I'm sitting there sick, and I'm wide awake. I'm not even tired at this point because I'm so stressed. I was so close to getting funded and passing that account, and I just kept holding it. I said, might as well just keep holding it. I held it all the way till market opened. Market finally opened, and I was at just right at break even. And I said, oh, since market open, you know, there'll be some more volatility. I wasn't caring about my strategy. I wasn't caring about, you know, the price action. I wasn't caring about anything happening that day, news, whatever. I would say, no, it'll go up a little bit more. And I held it, and then it dropped so low, so quick. I think, let's see, let's go back to NinjaTrader. And so I hit my drawdown from 2 accounts right around here. It was terrible. And right around there, it was terrible. It was like, what? Yeah, I think I can show y'all from that day. Yeah, it was a 2,400 loss on 2 accounts, and then my bigger account, it was 25, because I went ahead and just cut it out in the next couple minutes. Since those losses, might as well lose that one. So, but that was 2 accounts gone. 2 accounts that was so close to being passed. I fumbled it so hard. And I say probably about a week later, you know, I still had my 150k account. I kept trading that, right? Do a couple trades, made a little bit back. And I think about a week or so later, made some terrible trades because I was trying to, I don't know what that was. I don't think I really need to find it real quick. I don't think I had the 16th, but yeah, like a week later, man, I just kept trying to trade. I was trying to trade at work, and I could barely, you know, sit on my phone and look at the charts, trying to get in and out, trying different strategies, using a 15-minute breakout strategy, and I was doing that at work. So every 15 minutes, I check my phone, wait for the price to break the high or the low of that last 15-minute candle. I get in, then I lose, and I go for the next 15-minute candle, lose again, to the point when I blew that account just like that, because my drawdown was only 5,000 compared to the smaller accounts where they had a 2,500 drawdown. So that led me to blow all three of my accounts in like a week and a half time span. And really, after that, as I blew them first two accounts, I did not want to do shit the rest of the day. I damn near cried myself to sleep. That was my first account that I've lost. I was bedridden the whole day, didn't want to talk to anybody, did not leave my room, didn't eat. I was messed up. So I realized, like, hey, I've been through stuff like this before with my own money. So I mean, this wasn't as bad as that. So I picked myself up, I kept trading. After that, I still lost my bigger account, but I still didn't give up. You know, I'm still here, still going in every day I can trade. You know, I'm going in. Now I've built a better strategy that I can stick to and really trade how I want to trade. You know, really stop stressing myself out so much. But yeah, man, that's really all I wanted to show y'all. Just bring y'all a little quick, show y'all a little quick trade that almost stopped me trading completely. That really messed up my mental health. You know, really show y'all some losses. You know, a lot of people don't show their losses, but I mean, you might as well. If you really trade, you're gonna have losses, you're gonna have wins, but it's a matter of minimizing your losses, taking them to the chin and keep going. Yeah, that's the plan. Taking any losses to the chin, keep it pushing. On the road to getting funded, we will make it. I'm gonna try to really start documenting all my trades, uploading consistently. Even with my work schedule may throw me off a little bit, but if y'all find this relatable, if y'all like my content, keep me accountable. You know, throw a comment, send me a DM, Instagram. Like, hey, what a video is that? What a trade is that? I don't even mind it, you know. But that's all I got. Appreciate y'all for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.